What if everything you believe about saving money is wrong? What if saving $500 every month wasn't just a dream for people with high-paying jobs, but something you could actually do starting today? Even if you're living paycheck to paycheck, even if your income feels barely enough to survive, and even if you've tried budgeting apps, cutting expenses, and strict plans, and still failed. Here's the truth. Most people don't need more money to start saving. They just need a smarter system. In this video, we'll break down 11.5 powerful strategies that are simple, proven, and used by real people. These aren't your typical skip coffee tips. They're backed by financial experts and work even if you hate budgeting. By the end, you'll know how to effortlessly save over $6,000 a year and how to turn those savings into passive income. This isn't just about cutting costs. It's about taking control of your future. Let's get started. Number 1, the $200 phone call trick. Here's a money hack that could put hundreds back into your pocket starting today. It all started last summer with a woman named Sarah. She did something incredibly simple. She picked up the phone and called her internet provider. She wasn't complaining. She didn't threaten to cancel. She just asked one question. That's it. No drama, no negotiating skills required. That's $720 a year from one 5-minute call. And here's the kicker, it's not just internet bills. Try it with your phone, insurance, even streaming. Most companies spend more to get a new customer than to keep you. All you need is this script. Use it word for word if you like. You don't need to be aggressive. Just be curious. You could be sitting on $50 to $200 a month in hidden savings, and it takes less than 5 minutes to find out. So before you watch the next tip, pause this video and make that call. It could be the easiest money you've ever saved. Number 2, the subtle leak in your wallet. Here's a question for you. When was the last time you checked what you're actually paying each month? Those small charges you barely notice. Daniel recently checked his bank statement. He found 17 subscriptions, most unused. He kept 4, canceled the rest, and saved $1,800 a year. I call this the subtle leak in your wallet. Here's what to do right now. Check your statement, spot charges, and cancel the clutter. It's like Marie Kondo for your finances. You're not just saving money, you're clearing the clutter that drains your energy and wallet. Do this once every few months to keep your finances sharp. Number 3. How Jane saved $180 without earning a single extra dollar. Let me tell you something. Last week, Jane saved $180. How? She returned 3 items she bought on impulse. A trendy blender she thought she needed, a designer candle she never lit, and a limited time deal on headphones. This is what we call hidden cash. Money you've already spent but haven't used yet. Most stores allow returns for up to 30 days, sometimes even longer. And marketplaces like Facebook, eBay, and local buy-sell groups, they're full of people looking for exactly what you're not using. Open your closet, check your shelves, peek into that just-in-case drawer. Find the items you don't need, return or sell them, and reclaim your money. Sometimes the fastest way to save isn't earning more. It's getting back what's already yours. Number 4, the supermarket shift. Every Sunday, Aaron used to walk into the supermarket with no list, no plan, just impulse. Chips on sale? Toss them in. New cereal? Why not? Buy one, get one. Sure, even if he didn't like it. By checkout, he spent $40 more than expected, every week. That's $160 a month, nearly $2,000 a year on random snacks and clutter. The change? One small shift. Meal planning. He writes his meals for the week, checks the fridge, builds a list only for what's missing, sticks to frozen veggies, store brands, and deals that match his plan. Now he still enjoys food and snacks, but spends $150 less every month. The secret? Buy what you need, not what marketing tells you to want. Take control, and the plan wins. Yours, not the supermarket's. Number 5, the insurance switch that felt like magic. Brian Otte was smart. Loyal to the same car insurance for 4 years. Clean record, never missed a payment. But that good deal was quietly costing him $85 extra every month, over $1,000 a year, for the same coverage he could get cheaper elsewhere. One Saturday, he spent 15 minutes comparing quotes online. Same policy, same coverage, $85 cheaper, just by switching. Here's the truth. Insurance companies rely on your laziness. Premiums quietly rise, loyalty costs you money. Your move, every 6 months, spend 15 minutes shopping around. Auto, renters, home, health, no lifestyle changes, just smarter spending. Sometimes saving money is really that simple. Make the switch. Number 6, the bank fee you're still paying for? Why? It's 2025. Why are you still paying $10 a month just to use your own money? Many people still get charged a maintenance fee for a checking account, $120 a year, without any extra features or benefits. Meanwhile, hundreds of banks and credit unions offer free checking, no monthly fees, no minimum balance, free access to ATMs, mobile banking. Banks love that you don't switch. Every month you wait, they profit off your silence. Your move? Spend 30 minutes today, find a free checking account, transfer your money, and close the old account. Boom, $120 saved this year, straight to your savings.
Number 7. Amazon Prime might be costing you more than you think. Let's be real, you didn't sign up for Amazon Prime to spend more money, you got it for free 2-day shipping. But here's the trap. Since getting Prime, you may be buying more, not out of need, but because shipping feels free. No friction, no second thoughts, just tap and buy. Here's the fix. Cancel Prime. Instead, add items to your cart, leave them there, and wait until your total hits $35 for standard free shipping. Suddenly, you start asking, do I really need this? Would I still buy it if I had to wait a week? That dopamine fades. Impulse buys disappear. Primer costs $139 a year, but the real cost? Hundreds spent on impulse. Less convenience, maybe. More savings? Absolutely. Try it for a month. You'll notice the difference. Number 8, the latte lie. It's not about the coffee. Let's settle this. Your $5 latte isn't why you're broke. It's not the villain. The trap is small treats every day. Latte today, lunch tomorrow, sneakers Friday, dinner Saturday. Each time the excuse, I deserve it. Here's the truth. You can treat yourself, but pick one. Choose what truly brings you joy and ditch the rest. Look at last month's bank statement. Highlight every I deserved it expense. Add them up. That number could be $300 a month, saved without giving up the one thing you love. Your latte isn't the lie. The lie is thinking small decisions don't add up. Number 9, the invisible raise hidden in your closet. Let's talk about something right in front of you. Your closet, kitchen cabinets, that mystery drawer. Hiding in there could be your next $300 to $500. Open your closet. How many shoes haven't touched the pavement in over a year? Jackets with tags still on, that appliance used once. Most people are sitting on hundreds of dollars in forgotten stuff. Here's the fix. Sell it. Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, OfferUp, local groups. Turn clutter into cash. One weekend, a viewer made $420 selling items they hadn't touched in over a year. This isn't minimalism. It's smart money. A few listings, and suddenly your closet becomes your cash flow. No side hustle, no extra hours, no cutting back. Just reclaim money that's already yours. Number 10, eat what you have. Here's a simple idea. Eat what you already have. Most people go grocery shopping every week without checking the fridge. Old lettuce wilts, extra eggs sit unused, yogurt expires. The average family throws away over $1,500 of food a year just because they forgot what's already there. Your challenge, open your fridge and pantry. Take 5 minutes. Plan meals with what's on hand. Half a bag of rice? Stir fry. Leftover chicken? Wraps for dinner. Cheese and eggs? Breakfast casserole. Every meal from what you already own saves a grocery trip. Over a month, that's $100 to $200 saved without coupons. Next time you feel nothing to eat, check again. Your savings might already be in your fridge. Number 11, the vice audit. Let's get real. This might sting, but it could change your bank account. Cigarettes, alcohol, vape pens, they're not cheap. This isn't a moral debate, just math. You don't need to quit cold turkey, just cut back by 25%. One less wine night, fewer vape refills, fewer late night deliveries. That small shift is $100 to $200 a month. $1,200 to $2,400 a year without changing your job. One viewer cut wine from 3 nights a week to 1. She still enjoys it, feels relaxed, and now saves $140 a month. More clarity, more sleep, more money for her future. So ask yourself, what's one vice you could reduce by 25% without losing your quality of life? Sometimes the smartest money move is letting go of just a little. Number 11.5, the mindset shift that changes everything. This final tip, it's not a hack, it's a mindset shift. Every dollar you spend is a vote for who you want to become. Reward present you or invest in future you. Think this way, and saving $500 becomes automatic. Not from guilt, but from clarity. Stop asking, how can I save more? Start asking, who am I becoming with every dollar I spend? Change your mindset, and you'll change your money forever. Now, we promised you something more. You came here to learn how to save $500 every month, but let's dream bigger. What if that $500 wasn't saved, but earned passively? Let's talk passive income ideas. Real ones, not buy a yacht and rent it on Airbnb. Passive income idea number 1, sell your knowledge. You know something others want to learn, like budgeting, meal planning, or organizing. Turn it into a digital product. Templates, spreadsheets, printables, you design it once and sell it forever. Etsy, Gumroad, notifications pop up as sales roll in. Watch the passive income flow. Sales notifications while you sleep, repeat throughout the day. Your knowledge equals your product. Share what you know, create once, earn forever. Your knowledge equals passive income. Passive income idea number 2, digital product affiliate sales. Find a product you genuinely believe in. Courses, ebooks, tools you'd recommend anyway. Share it with authenticity on Pinterest, social media, or your blog. No inventory, no shipping, just your link. And every time someone clicks and buys, you earn. Commissions rolling in even while you relax. Because turning recommendations into revenue isn't luck, it's direction. And when you control your spending and your earning, that extra $500 a month becomes the foundation of your freedom. Saving money is not about deprivation, it's about direction. When you take control of your spending, you take control of your life. And that $500 a month, it's more than a number. It's your foundation for freedom. If this video helped, show us some love by hitting that like, subscribe, and bell buttons. And let us know in the comments what's one thing you'll try from today's video. This is your time. Future you will thank you. Thanks for watching.